My name is Ijeoma Obiagele Olibo, and I met my husband, who is called Simon, in a cocktail bar in London by Oxford Circus, and it was a very lovely evening whereby we drank lots of very strange cocktails. I had a very interesting conversation, and almost 5 years later we are here in Ogidi in Anambra, about to celebrate our traditional marriage, which we call Ibanku. One of the first things that made me fall in love with my husband is the fact that he is just such a sweet human, a person that is always willing to learn and is very curious, and above all, he cares for me in ways that, you know, I even ask for. He'll do things without me asking, and I'll, you know, surprising me with romantic gestures. And I know that no matter what, he's always there to support me. And so I hope that in our marriage, that I can help him in the same way, to support him in the same way that he supports me. You know, he balances me to be more relaxed, more laid back, and to have different views on my life. So I hope that I can offer the same to him, the same security, the same support, and the same love that he's been showing me for almost 5 years.
I'm Simon Teunissen, and I'm very excited and happy to have my traditional marriage with Ijeoma Olibo today. I love her very much, and I've loved her since the day I met her in London. We went to a cocktail bar together and then to another pub and just chatted all night, and I just knew she was the woman for me. I promise her to love her as long as I can, or as long as I can, my whole life, to take care of her in the good times and in the bad times, and always be there for her whenever she needs me, and cherish her how much I can.
You're welcome. There's a million ways you can come with. You could take a million one. So what I can do, no, I just keep going to make sure I can we take one no check out for one for what on. Kneel down, yeah. The mic. You will.
What did they do this MC excuse now. On a soft thing, you don't know.